I'm Kim Smith with your NDOT Stormwater News. USA Parkway is located between the Carson River and Truckee River, and as with all projects, NDOT takes great measures from the design and planning stages, during construction, and after construction to help protect and preserve Nevada's waters.
Well, USA Parkway is an interesting project because it's design-build. In these projects, we work together throughout construction with the contractor to design and implement the water quality improvements that are needed to meet NDOT's environmental requirements. In this case, we were lucky to be able to work with the contractor and incorporate a substantial amount of low-impact development on this project. Those changes included removing barrier rail that was concentrating water on the project. We also flattened slopes and increased shoulder areas so that we could have infiltration. With these improvements, we fit more naturally into the environment, and it also creates improvements that are easier to maintain for NDOT.
The designs are then taken out to the field where the contractor works together with the stormwater compliance and enforcement team to implement the temporary stormwater controls.
During the design and planning phases of the project, we work together with the contractor to help develop and review temporary pollution control plans for the project.
So what does a stormwater pollution prevention control look like?
A rock check dam is something to control flows of water, and what we've done here is sized appropriate rocks and laid them perpendicular through this channel. So if and when it ever rains here in Nevada, we can control sediment from running through the channel and creating more erosion downstream.
BMPs can be temporary, permanent, or both. So Tyler, right now we're standing inside of one of the water quality BMPs for the project. Can you explain it to us?
Sure. This is a water quality basin, and it's also an energy dissipator. We were able to include water quality impacts in something that we already build, which is one of the great things about the project. Normally we would have energy dissipators at the outlet of a culvert to slow down water, which also decreases erosion downstream. But in the design build project, we were able to work with the contractor to also expand the limits of some of these water quality basins so it provides water quality treatment for flows coming from outside of the culvert areas, the roadside ditches and other things that were draining into it.
Stormwater stewardship is an essential element of all NDOT operations, and NDOT is committed to being a leader in stormwater management and preserving Nevada's water quality for future generations.
We are taking stormwater very seriously. All our temporary BMPs are in place before we go and start opening up new ground. So we ensure through the design and construction that after the construction is complete, the water that will run off of our project will be clean.
Be sure to like and follow us on social media at Love Envy Waters. I'm Kim Smith with your NDOT Stormwater News. We'll see you next time.